Which way?
That way.
Gavin, which way am I throwing it?
That way. I'll show you.
Glasses. Thank you.
I'll show you which way to throw it this time.
Okay, which way to throw it? Okay, I'll throw it that way.
I saw Granny's birdhouse.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
That way.
Woo! Look where it is. That way.
Woo, she says. Look at your sword.
I don't know. This way. You don't have to run out there.